Hot Wheels, Hot Wheels, Hot Wheels. Let's open some new for 2022 Hot Wheels. Found a bunch of new Hot Wheels. Let's open these real fast and then we'll take a look in detail. Check out all the details in a little bit. These are so awesome. I can't believe I found new for 2022 Hot Wheels. I've been looking every day. Finally got these. Some really nice new Hot Wheels. Very, very cool. And here's the knightrider, the concept car. Let's get him out of there. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Very exciting. And got the Toyota Tacoma, new for 2022, in a new recolor already. Very, very nice. I'll compare these to the ones that came out at the beginning of the year in the first colors. These are all the second colors for these, except for the concept car, which is the first time it appears. But we'll compare it to the first kit car that came out. All right, so here are the four. Here's the red Toyota Tacoma. Let's take a nice close look. Wow, look at that. Nice tailgate, nice lights, 4x4 Tacoma. We have the handle painted in black. Here's a top view. Nice bed in there in plastic. It is a 4-door and the handles are painted over in red. And the color is just amazing. That red just looks so good. Here's the front end with the Toyota name right on the grill. That looks amazing. Look at those killer lights. And they even gave us a little tampo down there for indication of some fog lights. We do have that little antenna on top, some little ridges here, a sunroof. And check this out, nice scoop up here. Really cool rugged tires. They're not real fat, they're kind of thin. And they do have the 5 spokes in black, kind of like a star, all blacked out. And we do have these little wheel wells right here in black. And I don't see any indication for exhaust. Let me see, maybe back here. No indication for exhaust. We do have some pair of little mirrors on the sides. Just looks really good in this color. So first, it was issued in the blue. Let's take a look. Compare them both here. They're giving us great colors on this Tacoma. A nice blue one and now a nice red one. So here they are. Same wheels, same details, just different color. So these are both new for 2022. This one came out a couple months ago, and this one just came out right now. I think it might be L case or J case. Let's check. K case. I still haven't found L case, not yet. But here it is. The back of the card for the 2020 Toyota Tacoma. Born in Japan. Built for every terrain, this Tacoma features a manual transmission and a 3.5 liter V6 direct injection engine. Stay on the road or go wherever adventure takes you. 4x4s and trucks ready to work or race. The Hot Wheels Hot Trucks series. And here it is, Hot Wheels Hot Trucks, the orange stripe. New for 2022. It's number 72 for the year. A really nice card with some nice graphics. And they did a great job. Look at that. Really nice. Awesome. Couple of nice Toyotas there. And then we got the Pontiac. This one has the name down here, 1970 Pontiac Firebird from the Hot Wheels Dream Garage. New for 2022. This one came out in white at the beginning of the year. There we go, a little closer. Nice front end. No mirrors on the sides. Bigger tires in the back, taller tires. Nice Hot Wheels Legends license plate. Pontiac. This one is one of the winners. Legends Tour, Hot Wheels Legends Tour winner. And there's the card again. Looks amazing. Pretty nice. Here's the top view. 1970 Pontiac Firebird. Very plain base down here. And chrome interior. And here's the white one that was issued first. So this is the new one. The white one has like the black chrome. It is chrome, but it's that black chrome. You can see the difference. The brighter chrome and then the black chrome. Very cool. Let's see. They have the same wheels. Same graphics. Very cool. I have two. One of each color now. Very exciting to see these in new colors. I mean, it's only been a few months that we have these new ones, but they're already changing the colors. And maybe by the time the end of the year comes, we might get another recolor. Who knows? Sometimes some cars get a couple colors out throughout the year. And here's the Liberty Walk, the Nissan Silhouette, LB Super Liberty Super Silhouette, Nissan Silvia S15, LB Super Silhouette. Man, I'm reading that all wrong. LB Super Silhouette, Nissan Silvia S15. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm reading it backwards. All right. Liberty Walk treatment on this one. LB Racing. There's a lightning on the fenders. Really cool lightning towards the back and the door towards the back. Number 23. Bunch of other little names on there. Hot Wheels logo up here in the front on the fender. Big wing in the back. Couple of lenses in here. And then they have this. I don't know exactly what's going on with this here. And here's a nice spoiler in the front. Lenses up there in the front as well. A really nice hood, nice vents right there. All the glass is rolled up, nothing open. It is a right side drive. Mirrors on the side. You can see there's mirrors right there. And a nice wing up back here with the LBWK right there. Liberty Walk initials. Gray wheels. Very nice. Let's check it out. The way it looked when it first came out a few months ago in white. So the lightning is yellow instead of, they kind of like inverted the colors. White and yellow, then yellow and white. Kind of cool. Pretty cool. Looks like the glass stayed the same color. But a good comparison of both right here. These look pretty amazing. So let me know if you found any of these so far. It's been kind of hard to find new cars lately. And here's the kit concept car. Oh, by the way, let's check out the card for the Liberty Walk real quick. New for 2022 logo right there. Liberty Walk up here. Number 110 for the year. Really nice car. LB Super Silhouette Nissan Silvia S15. Hot Wheels Turbo Series. 6 of 10 in that series. Pretty nice. Born 2021. Liberty Walk headquarters. Designer Nissan Motor Company. This reimagined Silvia with a wide body kit exudes cool. A tribute to the legendary 80s race car. This Liberty Walk racer is designed as a drift monster for today. Cool. Hot Wheels Turbo, crank up the boost. These turbocharged machines deliver maximum horsepower. And all these seem to have copyrights of 2021, which is the prior year. Like usual, they do that. It's nothing new. They usually come with the prior year stamped. on the cards back there. Very cool. And then we have the kit car, concept car, I should say. Hot Wheels KITT concept. And check it out, Hot Wheels Exotic Series, 4 of 10 in that series. So we're getting 10 exotic cars. That's really exciting to know. Knightrider car from the TV show, new for 2022. I would have thought it was going to say Screen Times or Screen Cars or something like that. I think it says Screen. There's a series. This one's K-Case. Exotic supercars, ready to race. Born in 2021, El Segundo, California. Designer is Hot Wheels. This is a total fantasy car concept. Upgraded from the original series classic car, this custom kit has drone technology and bulletproof glass. Polished inside and out, it's ready for any mission. Any mission ahead. Exotic supercars, always ready to race. The Hot Wheels Exotic Series. There it is, the greenish, yellowish stripe. Here's the car. So cool. That one's K-Case. K-Case, I think there was one. This one's J-Case, okay. In case I didn't show it, this one's J-Case, which is the red Firebird. The other three are K-Cases. But finally, some K-Case cars. Treasure hunts were gone, super treasures were gone. But I found some cars that I didn't have yet. Pretty cool. Wow. It looks like it's plastic right there. And this part here is painted. Or tampoed in there. Gray disc wheels, kind of like the ones that... I forgot the name of that car. Oh wow, it says kit up here in front. And another plastic piece here for the light bar, it looks like. That's cool. No, it's really nice. It's a really nice shape. Really nice lines on this car. I like the little details. You know, it has some little things going on. I love the spoiler and the way they did the grille and the light. Love the light in the back as well. Here's the base. Don't see any exhaust anywhere. Hot Wheels kit concept. R13 stamp down there. Hot Wheels. Copyright 2021. Very cool. So this is the first time I ever see this car. And they did issue earlier this year another new for 2022. The kit car. And this one has a different name. Oh, it's not marked under here. Forgot what they call this one because it has like extra stuff. It's not the normal kit car. See, it has this thing in the front. It's kind of strange. I don't remember seeing this in the show, on the TV show, this car, but could be right out of the TV show, the way this car looks. It's a different name, something like extra something, I don't know. But I can't remember right now. Let me know in the comments if you know the name of this one. Appreciate you guys commenting and leaving me messages when I make a request for something I can't remember. You guys are great at it. Pretty cool. A couple of kit cars now, new for 2022. Different styles there. They look awesome. So this is pretty cool. I'm glad to have all these new cars. Here's a Liberty Walk in yellow. It's kind of out of the picture. Let's take the older ones out of the way so we can show the 4 new ones. And let me see. Oh, there we go. It's the same 4 and there's 5 there. All right, guys, I'm gonna pop up a couple of videos right up here. Click on those if you wanna hang out a little more and see some more cars from my collection or cars I've found. And if you haven't subscribed, click on my picture over here on this side. I'll pop out my picture. Click on my picture so you can subscribe to the channel. And thanks everybody who's been subscribing, or thanks to all the new subscribers. You guys are awesome. Thanks for supporting the channel. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos. There we go. 4 new cars added to the collection. These look amazing. Wow, so exciting to get some new for 2022 Hot Wheels in new colors. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.